Hey everyone, this is Danielle. Uh, sorry, I have a sinus infection. Fun times. Anyways, this is photo shoot or my next photo shoot. Starting out with the ISO changes. This is the 100. As you could tell, it's pretty dark. They do 200 and then 400. They do get brighter the higher the ISO goes. Uh, just real quick, I went with our dining room table, dining room, because I thought it was a good idea to show the various light sources. So, you have the natural light coming in from the windows, but you also have the artificial overhead light. So, playing off coming off the table. So it definitely helps show those changes as I applied on the camera. So moving on, that's my info. Going to shutter speed, it it got dark. Got very dark. And you can tell, looking here, that still had all the lights on. And it only gets darker the quicker that shutter speed gets. Oh, alright, y'all are gonna make me do it this way. Going to the aperture, starting out with the 4. 4 on my camera, on the camera I use, the 4 is the lowest it'll go instead of the 5.6. But you'll notice that it too, as that number gets higher, the quality it gets very dark. And then for my final image, my cat photobombed my photo. So I did go through and touch up and play with the lighting with a curves mask or a layer mask in Photoshop just to really bring up that light and play with the contrast some. But that is uh my photo shoot for this week, and I hope y'all enjoyed it.